An in-ground fire pit can be an excellent addition to any yard, providing a versatile and safe space for family and guests to enjoy year-round. Not only can it offer a cozy warmth during chilly evenings, but it can also serve as a cooking source for meals and a beautiful focal point for outdoor gatherings. When properly constructed, an in-ground fire pit can provide stability and safety for many years to come. While it may not be portable like other fire pits, the in-ground design offers a fixed and sturdy structure that can withstand the test of time. The materials used to build the pit are carefully chosen to be fire retardant, ensuring that any flames within the pit remain contained and safe. The design of the in-ground fire pit is critical in ensuring that stray embers or sparks do not escape the structure. The surrounding area should also be made of non-combustible materials to prevent any unintentional fires. Because of their smaller size, in-ground fire pits often contain flames better and are considered to be safer than larger fire pits. In conclusion, an in-ground fire pit is an excellent investment for any homeowner who wants to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. With proper construction and design, it can provide warmth, a source of cooking, and a beautiful accent to any yard. It's important to remember that safety is key, and all necessary precautions should be taken to ensure that. The first step in building a successful deck is careful planning. You need to consider several factors when designing your deck, including its purpose, location, size, and materials. For example, if you plan to use your deck primarily for entertaining guests, you'll need to ensure that it's large enough to accommodate a table and chairs, and perhaps even a grill or outdoor kitchen. On the other hand, if you're building a small deck to serve as a quiet retreat, you may only need enough space for a couple of chairs and a side table. Location is another crucial consideration when building a deck. You'll need to choose a spot that's level and well drained, as well as one that gets plenty of sunlight if you plan to use your deck for sunbathing or gardening. If you have a choice between a sunny or shady spot, keep in mind that a sunny deck will require more maintenance, as the sun can cause the wood to fade and dry out quickly. When it comes to size, remember that the deck boards themselves will determine the size of your deck. Therefore, it's important to choose the right type of decking material for your needs. Composite decking, for example, is available in a variety of sizes and can be cut to fit any space. However, natural wood decking comes in standard sizes and will limit the dimensions of your deck. One of the most important considerations when building a deck is the type of materials you'll use. There are several options available, including pressure-treated lumber, cedar, redwood, and composite decking. Each has its pros and cons in terms of cost, durability, and maintenance requirements. Pressure-treated lumber is the most affordable option but requires the most maintenance, while cedar and redwood are more expensive but require less maintenance. Proper installation is also key to building a successful deck. Make sure that you follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing your deck and use the appropriate tools and hardware for the job. This includes using galvanized or stainless steel screws, nails, and brackets, which are resistant to rust and corrosion. Finally, proper maintenance is crucial to the longevity of your deck. This includes regular cleaning and sealing, as well as repairing any damage promptly. Regular maintenance will help prevent rot, decay, and other types of damage that can compromise the safety and stability of your deck. In conclusion, building a successful deck requires careful planning, thoughtful design, quality materials, proper installation, and regular maintenance. With these key considerations in mind, you can create a beautiful, functional, and long-lasting outdoor living space that you and your family can enjoy for years to come. The humble carport. A trusty shelter from the elements, protecting your precious ride from everything from a sudden hailstorm to a torrential downpour. It's like a knight in shining armor for your car. But a carport isn't just for cars, my friend. Oh no, it's a versatile structure that can be used for so much more. Need a covered patio area for your next summer shindig? Boom, carport's got you covered. Need a little extra storage space for your growing collection of vintage vinyls? Easy, just pop them in the carport. And let's not forget the environmental perks. By using your carport as a base for some solar panels, you'll be reducing your carbon footprint and feeling good about your contribution to the environment. Now, when it comes to materials, you'll want to consider the type of carport you plan on building. For a sturdy, long-lasting structure that can weather any climate, lumber is your best bet. And the best part? Building your own carport is an easy woodworking project that will not only protect your car, but also add function and value to your property. When it comes to installing a pool, many people opt for an above-ground pool over an in-ground one. There are several benefits to choosing an above-ground pool, including initial cost savings and lower maintenance costs over time. Compared to an in-ground pool, an above-ground pool is much less expensive to install initially. Additionally, regular maintenance costs are also lower, which can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Another advantage of an above-ground pool is that it takes up less space than an in-ground pool. An in-ground pool typically requires a larger area due to the surrounding deck or concrete. On the other hand, an above-ground pool is more compact and can provide the same amount of swimming space. If you decide to remove your pool, an above-ground pool can be disassembled fairly easily. This is not the case with an in-ground pool, which requires professional assistance for removal. Cleaning an above-ground pool is also much easier compared to an in-ground pool. All you have to do is drain the water and scrub where needed. On the other hand, cleaning an in-ground pool requires more maintenance and can be a challenging task. One of the benefits of an above-ground pool is that it is easier to install than an in-ground pool. Installing an in-ground pool is a professional's job and requires a lot of time and labor. However, adding an above-ground pool can often be a DIY job, which can save you money on installation costs. Above-ground pools are also shallower compared to in-ground pools, making them safer for children and pets. They are easier to get in and out of, and the edges provide an all-around handle that can prevent accidents. Finally, the lifespan of your above-ground pool will depend on the material used, but it can often last for over 20 years. This means that you can enjoy your pool for many years without having to worry about costly repairs or replacement. In conclusion, an above-ground pool is an excellent choice for those looking for a cost-effective and low-maintenance option. With its numerous advantages, including ease of installation, lower maintenance costs, and greater safety, an above-ground pool is a smart choice for any homeowner looking to enjoy the benefits of a pool without breaking the bank. Two of the most popular grass alternatives available in the market today are artificial grass and turf. Artificial grass, in particular, is commonly used in residential areas or places where natural grass is difficult to maintain. This product is designed to closely resemble its natural counterpart, with the added benefit of being low maintenance. Artificial grass is not only better looking, but it also feels more like natural grass, making it an excellent option for those who want the aesthetics of a lawn without the hassle of upkeep. This type of grass is mainly used for its visual appeal rather than for practical purposes. The production process for artificial grass involves creating a product that closely resembles a natural lawn, whereas turf is primarily designed for sports fields or other high-traffic areas. Our artificial grass comes in various colors that mimic the real thing, making it an excellent choice for homeowners or landscapers who want to create an authentic-looking lawn. When it comes to the artificial grass versus turf debate, both options have their advantages. However, if you want to keep your yard, lawn, sports field, or park in top condition with minimal maintenance required, then going the artificial route is the best way to go.